a little breather from my vacation here just to get into a bit of detail about our chance for snow in Denver for this upcoming weekend. This will be for November the 29th, the 30th, and probably lasting a little bit into early next week and the start of December, next Monday, December the 1st and the 2nd. So overall takeaway here, folks, is that the first snow of the season is likely for us in Denver, somewhere between Friday night, November the 28th, and most likely it comes Saturday morning, November the 29th, and probably some secondary snow for us on Sunday and Monday as well. So here's kind of the broad pictures. We got a big trough of low pressure, right? That's what's going to trigger all this, and we see at the upper, mid, and lower levels of the atmosphere. This is going to bring us our first real push of colder winter air of the season. We've been waiting for this for some time. We've been begging for it in my comments, or so it seems, and we finally get it for us Friday night, Saturday morning. Sharp cold front will move through. The timing of that is the kind of, there are quite a few questions right now, but one of the main ones is the timing of that front. That's why you may see your weather apps, your automated ones, may be showing big temperature differences between Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and they may flip-flop quite a bit. It's just depending on the timing of that front. Looks like somewhere Friday night, maybe early Saturday morning, we see that front move through. That's probably going to be our best chance for snow for us in Denver. Will be somewhere late Friday night, early Saturday morning, again, the 28th into the 29th. This will probably get a good push of snow for us and a real surge, much colder air for us as well. What happens beyond that is still a question. Some of the models have a secondary push of energy. I'm a little skeptical about this, but they show a secondary push of energy, and that maybe phases together with the first one. Point being, that could lead to a higher end event. Most likely, though, is we'll get that initial push of snow, a lighter event, think a 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inch kind of event, not giving you exact totals, just an idea. And then maybe a secondary lighter event for us Sunday and into Monday, somewhere in there as well. And this all in all would just kind of lead to a really kind of cold, cloudy, lightly snowing weekend for us, and into Monday with the potential, once all is said and done, 2 to 4, 3 to 6 inches kind of snow. That's the way it looks right now. But still, we've got a big, long wave trough, low pressure. When we have this sort of setup, this is the way we could get a higher end snow. So I'm not taking that out of the equation right now. I would just say that's probably a less than 20% chance. And we also have high snow ratios. We have a lot of cold air. So that looks pretty likely. And by the way, mountains, looks like we get 2 pushes of snow, one on Friday night and Saturday morning, and another one Sunday and probably into Monday as well. So the mountains finally going to get your first true powder days of the season up there in the high country. Boy, you need it. You'll get that coming up for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. More updates. I'll try and do this once a day while I'm away, and usually do more updates than that, but I'll just keep it to once per day while I'm here.